Everyone says, learn AI. But what if the real problem starts before learning AI, with the phone itself? I still don't know the basics on my phone. If these basics are difficult, AI becomes difficult. This is the real problem where ai.Sathi starts. No other AI course starts from scratch. Start with 12 short lessons. 8 essential smartphone skills needed for AI learning. Master the basics first. Simple PPT slides in your language for each lesson, a video and verified links help you learn step by step without fear. Watching AI is not the same as using it. Practice and doing saves time. Welcome to ai.Sathi Level 2. No coding, no rushing. Start where you are. ai.Sathi. Then use AI. Practice. Use AI with confidence. 15 exercises make seniors confident, and 15 for office staff turn AI into useful everyday work. Try a free demo first. See how easily you can build your practical confidence. Like it? Then get full access. Welcome back to our original characters, now confident and getting smart AI assistance. Time is being saved, symbolic labor clock slows down, professional is coming soon. First become phone ready, then practice AI, then use AI professionally. Start your AI journey with ai.Sathi.